Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Think It English. I'm really happy to have you here today. Before we begin, I want you to do something simple. Take a deep breath, relax. Forget about everything happening around you for a moment. Put your headphones on and just listen. Because this is not only another English listening practice, this is a moment for you to slow down, reflect, and take one small step forward. Maybe you are here because you want to improve your English. Maybe you understand many words and conversations, but when you try to speak, something stops you. Maybe you think, why can I understand English, but I can't express myself naturally? If you have ever felt that way, this listening is for you. Stay with me until the end, because sometimes one small moment can change everything, and maybe this might be the day you finally change. Imagine this. It is early morning. The sun is slowly rising. Your alarm goes off 6:30 a.m. You open your eyes slowly. You look at the ceiling, and the first thought in your mind is, I'm tired. Maybe I can start tomorrow. Maybe today is not the right day. Have you ever felt like that? Many people have. We wake up with dreams. We wake up with goals. But sometimes we stay in the same place. Not because we don't want more, but because we repeat the same habits, the same routine, the same excuses. I'll do it later. I'll start next week. I'll practice when I have more time. But the truth is, time does not appear. We create it. And every small decision builds our future. You grab your phone. You check your messages. You open social media. You start scrolling. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. And suddenly, your morning is gone. The problem is not your phone. The problem is living on autopilot, doing things without thinking, repeating patterns without asking, is this helping me grow? Because change does not begin with a big moment. It begins with a small decision. So today, you do something different. You get out of bed, even if you don't feel ready, even if you don't feel motivated. And that is your first victory, because success is not about feeling ready. It's about taking action anyway. English plus progress. You walk to the kitchen, you make a cup of coffee, you sit down, you look outside. People are moving, cars are passing, life is happening, and you think, everyone is moving forward. What about me? But then you realize something. You are not behind. You are just one decision away from starting again. So you start small. You look around your room and you think in English. This is my room. This is my phone. I am learning. I am improving. At first it feels strange, maybe uncomfortable, but that is normal, because growth always feels uncomfortable at the beginning. And then something amazing happens. For a moment, you stop translating. You are not thinking. You are just using English. And that moment, that is progress. That night, you sit down again, same room, same person, but something feels different. You feel proud, because today, you showed up. You started. And starting changes everything. So let me ask you something. Are you going to keep waiting, or are you going to start? Because this moment, right now, could be the beginning of something new. Not because of this video, but because you decided. And maybe this is the day you finally change. Thank you for listening to Think It English. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, small steps create big changes. See you in the next practice.